Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, which will yield roughly 1 cup of juice. We'll also use 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure you have a large pitcher ready for mixing everything together. This classic recipe is perfect for any occasion. Now that you have your lemons, it's time to extract that wonderful juice. A great tip is to roll each lemon firmly on a hard surface before cutting. This helps release more juice. Then, simply cut each lemon in half and use a citrus juicer to get about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget to strain the juice to remove any pulp or seeds for a smooth drink. With your lemon juice ready, let's create the sweet base. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water. Stir this mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved and the liquid is clear. This creates a simple syrup. Now, pour your fresh lemon juice and the sugar syrup into your large pitcher. Finally, add 3 cups of cold water. Your homemade lemonade is almost ready to enjoy. Give the mixture a good stir to ensure all ingredients are well combined. For the best experience, add plenty of ice cubes to chill your lemonade to perfection. You can also garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. Store any leftover lemonade in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.